Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Facebook page. Don't worry, follow my all steps. Now first open your Facebook app. Tap on 3-line menu. Scroll down. Tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Scroll down. Tap on access and control. Select delete page. Tap on confirm. Select continue. And tap on again continue. Now enter your Facebook password here. And tap on continue. And finally, I hope permanently delete your Facebook page. Thank you so much.